Now see, last time we completed 9 sum of chapter 12, 12.2, exercise 12.2, 9 sum we have completed, okay. Now we are doing 10 sum. 10 sum is, an umbrella has 8 ribs which are equally spaced, assuming umbrella to be a flat circle of radius 45 centimeter. Okay. Find the area between two consecutive ribs of umbrella. You are asked to find out area between the two consecutive ribs of the umbrella. You look at the figure 12.13. Umbrella is given, and that umbrella, the upper surface, they converted in terms of a circle with 8 ribs. Now each ribs is a sector. Okay. So area of ribs you will get area of ribs is nothing but is equal to 1 by 8 area of circle. Okay, clear? Here I need not to apply the formula of sector because there are 8 ribs equal in area. So instead of finding area of sector, we directly find out area of ribs is 1 by 8 times area of circle. So it is 1 by 8 into pi r square. Clear? You put the value of pi and r. Pi should be taken as 22 by 7 and r square is taken as r into r, so 45 into 45. Do the calculation. If you multiplied after cancellation, देखो 7 cannot be cancelled with any number because 45 is not divisible by 7. But here 22 divided by 2 11 and 8 is divided by 2, it is 4. Now you multiply the numerator, all the numbers of numerator, 11 into 45 into 45. If you multiply, you will be getting 22,275 divided by 7 4 ja 28. When you divide it, it is coming this many centimeter square area of ribs. Okay. You can find out this area by using formula of area of sector also. Suppose you won't get this idea, area of each rib is 1 by 8 times area of circle. Then some children can do by this method. Another method is you find out theta. Theta is 360 by 8. So it is 45 degree. Okay. Theta is 45 degree. Now what is the formula for area of sector? Area of sector is theta by 360 into pi r square. So theta is 45 by 360, that is also 1 by 8 into 22 by 7 into 45 into 45. By both methods your answer will remain same. 45 8 ja, okay, 4 2 ja and 11 2 ja. So again my answer will be same. What is the answer? 22,275 divided by 28 centimeter square. This is the area of ribs, two consecutive ribs. Okay. So any method is accepted. You can do by any method. Both way you are going to get answer same. Now we are doing 11th sum. What is 11th sum? A car has 2 wipers. which do not overlap. कार देखिए ना, each wiper has a blade of length 25 centimeter, sweeping through an angle of 115 degree. Find the total area clean at each sweep of the blades. Here also we have to find out area between two blades, and that is nothing but the area of sector. Okay. So here first I find out theta. What is theta? Theta is given as 115 degree. Okay. Radius is given as 25 centimeter. Okay. Now what is area between two blades? Area between two blades is nothing but area of sector with angle 115 degree and r 25 centimeter. Now what is the area of sector? Tell me. Theta by 360 into pi r square. Put the value of theta. 115 by 360 into 22 by 7 into 25 into 25. 115 upon 360. If you divide by 5, both 115 and 360, this is your 23 and this is your 72, 5 is 360. Again you divide by 2, it is 36 and here is 11. Now cancellation is not possible. So what we are doing? Now we are multiplying all the numbers of numerator, and that will be nothing but 625, 25 into 25, 625 into 11 into 23 is 253. Divide by how much? 36 into 7. Okay. 36 into 7 is 252. Clear? So what is my final answer, you know? Do the calculation. Multiply numerator, it is 15812, right? 15812 upon 252 centimeters square. This is your answer, okay? 15,600 and 200. So it is approximately, पीछे एक नंबर आएगा, I think so. आप कैलकुलेशन फिर से करके देखो क्या आता है. मल्टीप्लिकेशन करो, 625 into 253 करो तो orally we can't do. 625 into 253. Put 20. 5 2 ja 10, carry 1, 5, 12. Okay. Then 8 0. 5 5 ja 25, carry 2, 12, carry 1, 31. Okay. And then 5 3 ja 15, carry 1, 3 2 ja 6 and 1 7, 6 3 ja 18. टोटल करो क्या आया? 5 12, एक गया 3 और 8 11, एक गया 6 7 and 8, 15, 1,58,125. So 15 is missing. Okay. This upon 252, 1,58,125 upon 252 centimeter square. आपको उसको डेसिमल में करने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है. यू कीप योर आंसर एज इट इज. ओके. नाउ सी अनदर सम नंबर 12. To warn ships for underwater rocks, a lighthouse spread a red color lights over a sector of angle 80 degree. To a distance 16.5 kilometer, find the area of see, here you should take area of the sea over which the ship are one. लाइट हाउस देखा है ना, उसमें से लाइट निकलती है. रेडियस दिया है 16.5 किलोमीटर एंड एंगल दिया है, थीटा दिया है 80 डिग्री. And here you should take pi is 3.14. Now if you want to draw a rough figure, suppose this is O is a lighthouse, okay? Lighthouse. And spread the light. ऐसा. Here theta is 80 degree. And radius is given as 16.5 kilometer. And this is also 16.5 kilometer. So this is a sector. The area of this sector we should find out. With R 16.5 kilometer and angle is 80 degree. So it is a OAB, area of sector OAB. How to find out area of sector OAB? Area of sector OAB is theta by 360 into pi r square. You know the formula. Here theta is given as 80 upon 360 into pi के लिए लेने को बोला है 3.14 and area is 16.5 into 16.5. Clear? अब सबको हम सिंपल बना देते हैं. क्या बना देते हैं? फ्रैक्शन में ले आते हैं. तो कैलकुलेशन हो जाएगा 80 बाय 360 इंटू 3.14 के लिए मैं लिख दूं 314 बाय 100. 16.5 के लिए लिख दूं मैं 165 बाय 10 इंटू 165 बाय 10. नाउ डू कैलकुलेशन. पहले 40 से डिवाइड करते हैं. 42 जा, ओके, 42 जा एंड 49 जा. क्लियर? फिर 9 के साथ 3 से करते हैं. 3 जा एंड ऊपर आएगा 333 जा. 3 इधर क्या आएगा? पहले हम 5 2 जा से कर देते हैं. 5 से 5 3 जा एंड 5 3 जा 33 और इधर से 3 गया तो इधर आ गया 11. क्लियर? क्लियर? फिर से इधर करते हैं. 315 को 2 से कर देते हैं कैंसल, तो ये 2 गया तो इधर आया 157. क्लियर? और भी कैंसलेशन हो सकता है. हियर 5 2 जा 5 2 जा एंड 5 33 जा और भी 3 चला जाएगा 11 जा. ओके, ये 3 जा के साथ. क्लियर? कुछ नहीं बचा. क्या बचा? आई शुड मल्टीप्लाई न्यूमरेटर के हर नंबर को 2 इंटू 157 इंटू 11 इंटू 11. तो क्या आएगा? 157 इंटू 11 इंटू 11 इंटू 2 जा है ना, 42 जा 2 जा रह गया ना, तो ये 2 कैंसल कर देते हैं एक. तो क्या बचेगा बोलो? 157 इंटू 2 कैंसल कर देते हैं. चलो 2 को भी कैंसल कर देते हैं 2 के साथ. 2 तो कैंसिल हो गया ना, ये भी हो गया. क्लियर? तो क्या बचा? 157 इंटू 11 इंटू 11, तो 157 इंटू 121 अपॉन 100. चलो मल्टीप्लाई करो. 157 इंटू 121 क्या आएगा? तो योर अप्रोक्सीमेटली आंसर इज 189.97. 189.97 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. क्योंकि 157 into 121 करो रफ में, you will get 18,997 upon 100, 2 decimal कट हो गया, kilometer square. Why centimeter square? Sorry, it's not centimeter square, it is kilometer square, because here data is given in kilometer. Okay, so my area is in kilometer square. So my light, the area of the sea over which the ship are worn, that area is 189.97 किलोमीटर स्क्वायर. इतने एरिया में लाइट जाएगी तो वार्निंग इतने एरिया को मिलेगी ड्यू टू दैट लाइट हाउस. ओके, नाउ वी आर डूइंग सम नंबर 13. नाउ व्हाट इज सम नंबर 13? टेल मी. 13 सम इज सम बेस्ड ऑन राउंड टेबल. See, a round table cover has 6 equal design as shown in the figure. In textbook, figure is given. If the radius of the cover is 28 centimeter, find the cost of making the design at the rate of 0.35 rupees per centimeter square. Root 3 should be taken as 1.7. Now see, if I draw a rough figure, textbook में तो fair दिया है, you can draw this type of figure. See, you are given a circular table, okay, and you are given a design like this. ऐसे डिजाइन दी गई है. And here this is a shaded part. This angle is 60 degree. This angle is also 60 degree. This angle is also 60 degree. It's a equilateral triangle. ऐसे कितने ट्राइंगल बनते हैं इसमें? 1 2 3 4 5 6, ऐसे 6 ट्राइंगल बनते हैं. कितने? 6. I have given only 1. So here you are asked to find out, जो डिजाइन है, डिजाइन इज अ सेगमेंट, राइट? डिजाइन किसमें है? सेगमेंट में है. राउंड टेबल कवर है 6 इक्वल डिजाइन. एक डिजाइन है ना, वैसे 6 डिजाइन है एज शोन इन फिगर. इफ द रेडियस ऑफ द कवर इज 28 सेंटीमीटर, दिस रेडियस इज, सपोज दिस डिजाइन को मैं नाम दे देती हूं this point is O, this point is A, this point is B. Then OA is given as, what is OA is given as? 28 centimeter. Clear? And what is theta is given? This is my radius, okay? Radius. And theta is given as 60 degree. And the cost per centimeter square is 35 paisa per centimeter square. Now here we should find out area of segment. Okay, and area of segment is nothing but area of sector minus area of triangle OAB. Okay, and triangle OAB is an equilateral triangle. Okay. And what is the formula for area of sector? It is theta by 360 into pi r square. And what is the area of an equilateral triangle? The formula is root 3 by 4 r square. Okay, OA square is r square. All sides are equal in length. Clear? Now put the value and do the calculation. Theta by 360 मतलब 60 by 360. पाई के लिए आपको लेना है 22/7. ओके, एंड रेडियस इज 28 into 28 minus root 3/4 into 28 into 28. I put the value. Now do the calculation. Okay, now do the calculation. कैंसिलेशन करके देखो क्या आएगा आंसर। आंसर आएगा, कैंसिलेशन के बाद मैं लिखती हूं, आंसर आएगा 28 इंटू 22 इंटू 2 डिवाइड बाय 3 माइनस √3 इंटू 7 इंटू 28 इंटू 7 √3। क्लियर। √3 के लिए दे सेड यू पुट द वैल्यू एज 1.7। तो 28 इंटू 22 इंटू 2/3 का कैलकुलेशन करोगे ना तो आएगा 410.6, और इसका 28 इंटू 7 इंटू 1.7 करोगे ना तो उसका कैलकुलेशन आएगा 410.6 माइनस 333.2। So my final answer is 77.4 centimeter square. This is area of one design, one segment. We have a 6 segment. So area of design total area total is 6 times area of segment. Okay. That is 6 into 77.4. So my total area will become 464.4. centimeter square. Okay. Now total cost. Total cost per centimeter square cost is 35 by 100 rupees. Okay. So cost multiplied by total area 464.4. So my total cost is going to become rupees 162.54. Okay. This is the total cost of design. Clear? Total cost of design is 162.54. Clear? 14 sum is take the correct answer. Question is area of sector of angle P of a circle with radius capital R is. अब देखो answers are given. You have to select the correct answer. Now for that you have to make some calculation. What is the area of sector? Area of sector is, formula is theta by 360 into pi r square. Okay. So put the value of theta. Theta is P by 360. Pi is pi. Small r is capital R. Now it is P by 720 into 2 pi r square. 2 से मल्टीप्लाइड किया. बिकॉज मेरे जो आंसर है ना, न तो A is correct one, न तो B is correct one, न तो C is correct one. But D can be correct if I multiplied both numerator and denominator by 2. Because answer is given in terms of 720. So what is the correct answer? Correct answer is D. Clear? D is your correct answer. Now, so that complete your 12.2. Clear? That complete your 12.2.